back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 6.0, which is the pleasant. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. This hotel, so you can see on the screen. It's required to present photo ID and check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.